Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hey YouTube, it's me Lashon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen and I am going to throw something together. You know how we do. We get in here, we look in the fridge, we look in the pantry, we look in the cabinet, we see what we got, and then we put something together with what we already have. So come on with me. This is my leftover chicken. I just took the top off, took it out the fridge, and this is what we're going to cook today. I'm going to put it and this is my frying pan. I'm gonna put it in there and I'm gonna add a little bit of honey, and that's gonna be our dinner for tonight. Whether I put it on a wrap or I make some type of mashed potato or rice, I don't know yet. Okay, my mashed potatoes a little thick. We're gonna have to add a little milk here. Sometimes they get thick when I get to the end of the box. You might as well save it. Let's get some milk in here. Milk in, and that's a little better. I don't like them too thin, so that's good enough. All we need to do is add a little pepper, and those are our mashed potatoes with the steam still coming out. Okay, I just put the chicken in. So we're going to basically kind of steam it a little bit, and then I'll add a little honey to it, and we'll get this chicken started. This is the honey that we're going to use. I got it from Walmart, 100% honey. And I'm going to just add a little bit to our chicken. Here we go. This is our honey. That should do it. I think I get it. Okay, so now we're going to add our shrimp. We got a small pack of shrimp, and we're going to add that to our chicken, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Here we go. Okay, that's a wrap, B. All finished. Let's plate this up and taste this food right quick. Come on with me. All finished. These are our shrimp. That is our mashed potatoes with a little bit of garlic in there, and I just put a little butter in there. I just have to add pepper. And then that is our leftover chicken. What I did is I grilled it a little bit so to have a different flavor. And then that is just boxed macaroni that I had left. And this is our dinner for tonight. I wish I had a dinner roll. And that's what we get when we use what we have in the fridge. Okay, YouTube. All we have to do now is taste this and make sure. Ready? Taste this. It's hot. That sure is good. So the macaroni, it's just some boxed macaroni, nothing fancy. It's Walmart brand. It's just, I get it for every now and then when I want some macaroni. I don't be baking macaroni and stuff like I used to. And I thank you for joining me here in the kitchen. We love leftovers. Remember, we're trying to save money. We're trying to save money. We're trying to make it so that we can get through a full month. We just want to eat. We ain't trying to eat fancy. We ain't trying to spend $30 a day at a restaurant. We trying to use what we already have. And I thank you for joining me. And I appreciate each and every one of you for joining me. God bless you all. Gotta go eat. I just want to say thank you for joining me here in the kitchen once again. And if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But more than that, you have to ring that bell so you're notified every single time I come out with a video. Okay? So at this time, we're going to breathe in and breathe out so we can get our day started. You ready? Breathe in, breathe out. We thank you, Father, for another day. So, wherever you headed today, to work, to school, or maybe you got errands to run today, be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face. And treat people with respect. It's the only way to live, okay? So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.